In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off Spotify Jam. First of all, launch open Spotify application. You can see over here Spotify application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface, so make sure you're in the now playing screen. If you're using the premium version of the Spotify, you'll be able to start the jam. But if you want to turn it off, it is actually very simple. Right now, I do not have the premium version, but I'll tell you what to do. In the now playing screen, what you have to do is simply tap on the Q icon. It is the three horizontal lines next to the connect icon. After you do that, what you have to do is simply look for the jam session name and tap on the end button below it. If you do not see the end button, tap the device name at the bottom. Then tap on the option leave or just play a new song to bring up the queue with the end button. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the Spotify jam. So that is how you turn off Spotify jam. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.